This video will explain how to divide decimal numbers. The same strategies can be used that you use to divide whole numbers. So for example, multiplying up, partial quotients, and area model can be used to divide decimal numbers. In this example, we're going to divide 3 8400 by 6, and I will use the strategy called multiplying up. To use this strategy, all you have to do is ignore the decimal point. So we're going to turn 3 800 into 384 divided by 6. And for multiplying up, we need to turn the division problem into a missing factor problem. So we have to think 6 times what number gives me 384. Well, I know that 6 times 50 gives me 300. 84 minus 300 is 84, so I have to keep multiplying up until I reach my dividend, which is 384. I know that 6 times 10 is 60, and the reason I picked 10 was because I can easily multiply 6 times 10 in my head. So far we have 360 total for my dividend. I need 24 to reach 384. I know my basic fact, 6 times 4 is 24. And when I add up all of my amounts, I get 384. Next, I'm going to add up all of my factors that I used, and that's going to 4. So now I know that 6 times 64 is 384. So that means 384 divided by 6 is 64. Now I need to use reasoning to determine where to place the decimal point. So should it go in front of the 6, between 6 and 4, or after 4? Well, if I look at the problem, it's 3 8400 divided by 6. I know that my answer should be smaller than the dividend, so the decimal point should go before the 6. So let's see why that would happen. Think about money. If you have $3.84 and you're going to split that amount up evenly amongst 6 people, you know that each person will receive less than $3.84. So that means the decimal point goes before the 6. This video showed you how to use the strategy multiplying up to divide decimal numbers. Again, remember to treat decimal numbers like whole numbers. Ignore the decimal point when you're doing the computation, and then you can use reasoning to place the decimal point in your answer.